Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Chat GPT account on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now, in order to sign out of your Chat GPT account on your iPhone, first open the browser where you have opened your or signed into your Chat GPT account like this. You can see, guys, I've already signed into my Chat GPT account over here. And now to log out or to sign out of the Chat GPT platform, on the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three line icon. Tap over there, and when this interface appears at the bottom of the list just below the updates and FAQ, you can spot the logout button available over there. Tap on logout like this, and let's say it loud. And after tapping on logout, you will be immediately signed out of your ChatGPT account on your iPhone like this. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.